Now it's recording. Okay, got it. All right, thanks. Guys, what is difference between package, module, functions? I told you. For example, if you order a phone from Amazon and Flipkart, you got a box, right? You got a package, isn't it? So when you unpack this one, you got your iPhone. So can I say that this could be NumPy is a package or module? NumPy is a package or module? Yes, NumPy is a module. Okay. NumPy is a package, guys, because we have a lot of functionality under the NumPy. Clear? We have a lot of functions in the NumPy. Okay, guys? All right. I will talk about a lot of things. Math is a package or module? Math is also package because math dot square root, math dot, all those things we're going to do, right? Now, let's understand this one. How do we assign NumPy? Import NumPy as NP, import NumPy as NP. Let's run this one. Everybody see this? Everybody understand? Online team, can you hear me perfectly? Anybody has first class today? Anybody has first class today, team? No? Cool. Yes, first class today? No. Okay, good. So import NumPy as NP. I hope you run this one. Let's say my list equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not a project. This is just a course, crash course. Just to understand some behavior of NumPy, how exactly we assign. And from tomorrow, or maybe if time allows, I'll show you some of the data sets and we'll start working on it. And we're trying to do some of the visualizations from tomorrow and day after tomorrow onwards, okay? So my list equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I execute, this is which data structures is this list, isn't it? It's a list. Now, can I convert list to array? Can I convert list to array? Online team. So let's, yes, very good. Array equals to, what is meant by NP? NumPy. NP dot array, I pass my list over here and let me check. You got it? Array of 0, 1, 2, 3. Did you see the list difference between list and array? Okay, I hope you understand. Difference between list and array. This is list. I create an array from the list. This becomes your array, right? Now np dot arrange 0 to 10. If you need some help on the functions, click here shift tab. When you do shift plus tab, all right, let's plus symbol, you find some of the informations. I mean, if you're trying to go somewhere, you don't know the place, you ask to Google for help, right? The same way, the code, whenever you written something you don't understand, just click over the code and just shift tab and you check on plus options. You try to understand. Okay, guys? Clear? All the functionalities. You np.arrange 3, just give some examples. It will print 0 to 1 to 2. Got some guidance, isn't it? Without asking someone, you got your, this is called self-learning, guys, understand? So you got your guidance. I didn't ask to anyone, just I go here and click over the functions. Let's click shift and tab and plus it. Just when I scroll it down, just you can find out np.arrange 3. Got, this is called array. Now same way, what is output over here? NP arrange 0 to 10. I will get the value between array of 0 to 9, isn't it? Now let's talk about 0, 10, 2. What is the output? Let's run 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Make sense? Online team, are you understand, guys? Yes, Sushma, Wasim, Azad, Avinav, Chandrahash, Shiva. Okay. Now, I just wanted to say np.zeros. Let me click shift tab. Okay. Just scroll down. np.zeros 5. What you get output, guys? 5 zeros you can get output, isn't it? Let me. So here I have a logic here. So 5, 5. By default, this indicates row or column. By default, this indicates row or columns. Everybody understand or not what I'm saying? Online team. Row, isn't it? By default, it will considered as a row and this will considered as a column. Got it? Now let me check about this one. np.0 0 1 2 3 4 means 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 5. Understand or not? Now you might ask questions, sir, how do I remember what are the functionalities? How do I remember this one, right? Arrange, you know, you call about arrange, you know about your zeros. How do I, what are the functions available in NumPy? I will show you what are the NumPy functions. I will give a book to you. Please get in. I will share one books to you. I don't want you to practice, but if you have a time, if you're college students, if you're not working, it's ample of time. See guys, let me tell you one thing. From first grade to 12th grade, or maybe BTech, we never study, right? Our parents keep on saying, please study, study, but we never study. But now I would humble request you, please study 3 months from now. Okay, what I'm saying? To everyone I'm saying, please study 3 months from now, guys. Definitely you transit yourself and show to the world who you are. Make sense? And show to the world who you are, isn't it, guys? So what 3 months you need to study? Do not use your brain. I just tell you what things need to study. Follow me. Definitely things would be done. Clear? Isn't it? All right, guys. Now let's talk about, I will share some of the books. Yes, Drakshayani, you can post your questions, dear, please. Now let's open this one. Yeah, where is that? I think you got this one as well. The class notes, 4th April. We completed, let's close this one. Data structures yesterday. And 5th, we start NumPy crash course, right? All right, let's get back to the work. So the books, this is all about NumPy references. Did you see? We have a lot of functionality using NumPy, but I don't want you to just keep this book on your systems and try to understand a little bit heads on to it. If you wanted to deep dive in all these things, the book should be very important, guys, right? Okay, now let's get back to the topic. This wouldn't be a task for you. I'm not assigning any task for the books. Now let's get back to the work. Now np.1s 2,4. What is the value? What is output, guys? Online team. np1s 2,4. You know what is meant by zeros. What is meant by ones now? 2 row 4 column. But what value? Right. Let's run this one. Did you see? 2 rows and 4 columns. So by default, the first argument is rows. Understand? In NumPy, the first argument is or you called as parameters is called row, right? And second argument is columns. Understand? Is called columns. And third argument is, what is the third argument, guys? Step count. Correct? Step count. Right. Now let's talk about another one. All right. So np.random randint. Anybody give me the output for this one, online team? Randint. NumPy.random randint. Random numbers between 0 to 10. Understand everyone? Yes, Uday? Very good. Give me the output from random number. Now let me tell you guys, did I apply any if else loop here? Did I define any for while loop here? Did I write a like Java program coding over here? Very simple codes, guys. To understand this one does not require you are a IIT students. Understand what you required? You need a simple English and common sense is required, isn't it? Agree or not? Everybody. Okay, guys. So now let's talk about random int 9. Now random integer 5. Now 2, please. Now 9. Can you close this, buddy? Can you close this? Yeah, thanks. Now 8, isn't it? Now, when I change this value, can you please create the number between 10 to 20? What is the output? Create a random number between 10 to 20, isn't it? I'm sorry. Cell clear. Run 11. Got this one? Now, I'm saying random.randint 0, 10, 3, 3. What exactly I'll get, guys? Any guesses? Very good. Create a random number between 0 to 10 where 3 rows and 3 columns should be printed, isn't it? So did you see this one? Random.rand integer 0, 10, 3 rows and 3 columns, isn't it? I hope this is the basic operations. No need to worry, because we have, why we talk about NumPy, because when we go for a visualizations, when I combine NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, we get a visualizations graph. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's talk about a few operations and then we heading towards projects. np.random randint 0, 10. I defined variable called A. A is the identifier, and I mentioned np.random.rand integer 0 to 110. What's output? How do you say, guys? 0, 10, 20, something like that. 10 step. Was him wrong? Completely wrong, buddy. Anybody explain? Still confusing? 10 exactly. So print the value between 0 to 100. Okay, but 10 random numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, isn't it? Now let me execute second time. Can I get the same value or different value? Are you sure? Let's run. Different value, isn't it? Online team, are you understand or not? Online team, yes, Drakshani, Chandrahash, Akansh, Mahapatro, Ashish, Betin, everyone, Deepthi, all of them, guys. Now let's talk about np.random.seed12. All right, I wanted to add a new functions called seed12. What exactly mean by seed functions? I will tell you right away, because this is some of the few random functions we need to use in the real time as well, guys. So that's why I'll talk about these functions a little bit heavily, and then we see for practice, and I'll give some of the work for you. Okay. Now np.randomSeed12, you can put any number over here. Now I create a variable array np.random 0, 100, 10. So let me tell you, let me execute first time. Array, I called as array 75, 27, 6. Remember this one, guys. Okay. So I shared this example like yesterday in arrays do we follow up n minus. Nobody, let me tell you, what's your name? I'm sorry. Yeah, Hemant, I will try to tell you, buddy, if you have A slice B, then you will apply B minus 1. But here the logic is A comma B. Do you think you will apply? No, you're never gonna apply here, isn't it? Yes, Hemant, clear now? Yeah. So remember, for NumPy all the time, you just separate as a comma, but not in slice. Make sense? Yep. Now let's talk about this one. Seed functions, just now I told np.random randint 0, 100, 10. Create the 10 random values between 0 to 100. Now second time when I run this one, can these values or change or same? Change. So let's see this. Same. This is what the functionality of the seed functions. Please make a note. So np.seed, you cannot get the random values. I will share this notes, guys. I think I shared all the notes yesterday, but no need to worry. I will share it. Okay. Yeah. You can write. That's fine. All right. Now let's talk about array2. I create another identifier. Array2 equals to np.random randint 0, 100, 10. Now let's talk about array2. It's done. Now next time when I done, same value, different value or same value? Same value is repeated, right? Now let's talk about array. Yeah. Now array.max, what is the value? Array.max. What is the maximum value? Online team, are you understand? Sinduri, clear? Yeah, so 12 denotes as an, you can change any values. That is one of the parameter. What happen if you remove the 12? Now let's check. Yeah, now let's run. You can pass 12 or you cannot pass. That's okay, no need to worry, okay? You can pass any argument over here or not. That's all right. If you go back to the seed, just click this one. Yeah. This is a convenience legally functions self seed none. Okay. So if you scroll this one, all the value they can given up, right guys? If you don't understand, leave it, just understand what I'm saying. All right. Yeah. Now what is array.max? 72? No. Which one? Yeah, because for this one 72 we got. All right. Yeah. Now array.mean, which is the value? 10. Understand or not, guys? Everyone, see, no need to worry. Once I shared this one, things would be clear. Okay. Array.mean. Array.mean. Mean means what? Average. You get. Now, can I get more than median? No, guys, I don't think so. You will get. No. NumPy and array object has no attribute median. Understand, guys? So let me make a note here for NumPy np mean value you will get, but median and mode we won't get, isn't it? All right, let's talk about this one. Okay, now I talk about reshape. In machine learning, we're going to use these functions very largely. We use these functions in machine learning. Yeah, understand what is reshape. Now shift tab, just scroll down. Reshape means equivalent functions. Okay, I will talk about reshape, how, what are the functionalities you have. What is meant by this one? 2,5 means print the value 2 rows and 5 columns. Did you see? 2 rows and 5 columns. But if I wanted to change 2 to 5 and 5 to 2, what is output? 5 rows and 2 columns, isn't it? I hope you guys are understanding. Yeah, very basic one. I'm not talking about such advanced things so far. Yes, online team. Yes, Sakshi. Now, indexing. What is meant by indexing? Let me define an identifier matrix np.arrange 0 to 100 dot reshape 10, 10. Can you give me an answer for this one? Just now I explained the reshapes. So are you guys are saying 10 rows and 10 columns between value 0 to 100, right? Got it what I'm saying, guys? Everyone is clear? So 10 rows and 10 columns between 0 to 100, isn't it? Yeah. See, guys, main thing we need to understand, we visualize the data, we understand the data, because don't you think this type of data is available in the organization's database? Correct or not? This type of data only available in the database. Now we're trying to understand the basic functionalities of NumPy. Upcoming days, I will teach you, we will make a workshop how to connect SQL to the databases and how we'll use this ML models and all those things in future sessions. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about row equals to 4. Okay, see, you understand math? I create a variable row equals to 4, column equals to 2. Now let's this one. Math, you know what is meant by matrix? It will store 0 to 99 and 10 rows and 10 columns, isn't it? Now I said matrix row comma column. Can you please tell me which output I will get here? Online team, which provide us with these examples? Hemant, no problem, buddy. After complete this, I will assign to you, right? Every day I will share with you, no need to worry. Concentrate on the class first. Understand? No need to worry, forget about the books, links. It's my responsibility to, I will share with you, okay? And I'll give you a lot of books which my Oxford client shared with me. I will share you that one as well. Okay, Hemant? Yeah, now let's talk about, can you print the output? Row, fourth row and second column. What is the value? Matt, 42. How do you guys get 42? Anybody? Row number 4, let's talk about 0th row, first row, second row, third row, right? Isn't it? Row 4th, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 4 and 2 column, 0, 1, 2. So 42 is printed. You got your output or not, everyone? Online team, are you understand? Yes, Pratyush. Do you require any software background required to understand all those things, guys? Now, what you require, just presence of mind and laptop and internet and my sessions, good enough. Continue the same way for next 3 months, 4 months. I will ask a lot of mock interviews in the sessions. Give a resume, give a project and close your eyes and upload. Try to keep giving interviews. Of course, interview they'll ask tough. Let them ask. As I told you, the one who asking, he himself doesn't know what is data science, because data science is created just 5 years back, Java 30 years back, SQL 30 years back. So do not worry. I will give you a lot of technical tips to crack an interviews. All right. I do refer some of the openings which I have as usual. Clear? Got it, guys? Just after done the resume, you keep giving 30 interview, one offer definitely you have. Very simple, I'm saying. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about math. Can you give me the output with slices indexing? What is meant by empty slice? All given all the values. Now column, what is output here? Okay, column, why we got 212? Anybody catch the logic here? Why only printed 2, 12, 22, 32? Because we assigned column equals to 2. Did you see this? So did you see this? We assigned column equals to 2. Online team, are you able to understand? Nobody was him. Did you see the column equal to 2 and row equal to 4? That is what. Now let me change column equals to 3 and let me execute this one. And now let's check what is the output. What's the output now? Let's run it. 3, 13, 23. Got it or not? Understand or not, guys? Everyone. Online team, except Washim, no one will respond. Okay, that's okay, guys. Now, can you please, what is output for this one as well? Let's done. Can you tell me the answer? Let me tell you, I assigned row equal to 4th year, right? So now tell me what is the output over here. Let's run 40, 4th row, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Understand, guys? Now, let's check this one, 0 to 3, 0 to 3, right? 0 row, 3rd column, and this is you get output, correct? All this one, this is the basic one. I want you to please practice this one. I'll share today. All right, team. Now, what is masking? Just basic functionalities I'll teach you. I hope what we're creating arrays, we know and we understand. Let's talk about what we understand. We understanding creating arrays. Now the next topic, what we saw is called operations. Operations like randint, and what else, guys? Seed functions, right? And what else? Indexing. I hope, yeah, indexing and masking. Let me start. So now let me tell you, if I talk about NumPy has many operations like this, isn't it? If I talk only NumPy operations, I can take 1 year sessions using NumPy. Do you know that? I will take 1 year sessions, but in real-time interview, they won't ask this, guys. They won't ask this. They ask, can you please explain which project you worked before? Understand or not? Can you please explain which project you worked before? You have to explain this project. In this project, what technology you've been implemented, what model you've been implemented, but they don't ask what is NumPy mask. You are not a school children. You know, other institutes, what they do, they will spend more time on NumPy pandas. They will take out of 3 months, they will take 2 to 3 months for NumPy pandas. They won't talk NLP. They won't talk deep learning. Understand? Clear or not? Yes, guys. Now let's talk about mask. Matt, what is the value I will get here? Anybody tell me? Matt, I'm checking. Does the matrix is greater than 50? Check it. What's the value I will get here? Washim, Uday, Sinduri, Hemant, Sushma. Very good. Can I get true or false? It's checked. Does 0 is greater than 50? Does 0 is greater than 50? Yes. False. See this, from 0 to 50, you get false, isn't it? Because 49 is never be greater than 50. But from 50, even though 50 not greater than 50, up to this you get it true. This is called mask. Clear or not? This is called mask functions. Now, I apply mat is the identifier. What I mean to do, mat and mat comma, I write a filtering. I wanted to do a filtering. I'm check the, please filter out whatever the correct logic. Now let's check this one. Understand? This is the correct informations. Clear or not up to this, everyone? Yes, Hemant, Uday, guys understand? So this is the basics things I already shared with you today. And this is what you need to work, guys. This is called little bit crash course. And same way, all of the books has been designed only for NumPy. But trust me, guys, in the software industry, no matter you are 15-year experience or 20-year experience, does anybody remember this book? Does anybody remember this book, guys? Online team. None of them will remember this book, guys. Then how they work then? By Google God. Very simple. Okay, so very simple, but the act in front of you, they are software, they're talented guys. Okay, but no need to worry. Everybody's copy from Google and paste it in the environment. Let me frankly, this is the true story. All right, guys, everybody's clear. So no need to worry for this one. How to get the code, how to things is done. Let's do it together. Okay, if rain will happen tomorrow, let's see, we make arrangement for tomorrow. First, get a job first. Clear? Understand, everyone? Now let's talk about. Okay. From today onwards, I'm going to start one project right now. The project name is called. So where do I post it? This one. Okay, let me fix this later part. Okay. So metrics NumPy, this is the project. The first projects we called as pattern recognitions. Just let me show you. Pattern and trends using Python and using NumPy. This is the project one. All right. So this is the project one. We're going to understand patterns and trends using Python. Now, let's say you joined as a data analyst, all right, in a company. Now, a company give you one data set. A company gives a CEO or managers gives you one data set, means one work. Let me talk about that work first, and then we start. First, understand the data set, then we build some of the model, then visualizations, then graphs, then multiple graphs we're going to plot. Yeah, we're going to talk about what kind of graph is this all about. How do we speak being a data analyst? What kind of graphs? All right, guys, you have to explain them. All those things we're going to discuss. Clear? Let's talk about this one. So what is matrix? Matrix is the tabular representations of the data. Yeah, lot of data are stored in a table format. That's why matrix is very important topic in Python and data science as well. Even though a 15 years data scientist experience, they used 4 packages. One is called NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So as I mentioned, if you're good at SQL, if you are good at Python, if you're good at EDA, Python means all the 4 packages, and Tableau, you are eligible for data analyst role. Understand? If we learn this one, you are eligible for data analyst. But additions to, if I add statistics, machine learning, probability, then and NLP, you are eligible for machine learning engineer role. Correct? I hope you understand, guys. All the times I'll show up later, but let's understand one by one, and let's talk about this one first. List is one dimensions, matrix is multi dimensions. Very good. As we're working on a data frame, so metrics have played a very major role. Understand, guys? Now let's talk about, I have one data set over here. See, the data set is called basketball data set, guys. Everybody know cricket is one game. Same way basketball is also one game. Okay. So what is the data set? Seasons. Seasons means what? Year. 2005, 2006. So I have the data from last 10 year, 2005 to 2014. Correct? Online team, are you able to understand? Yes or not? So seasons means what, guys? Year. 2005 is year. You know IPL? Yes, guys? One moment. Okay. Here we go. 2005 we won season, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the seasons we have here, right? How many years data we have? 10 years historical data. What is meant by historical data? Past data. 2014 is past. Yeah. 2025 is past or future. That is a future. Yeah. So 2000, this is a historical data. And by looking at this format, what you understand, guys, by looking at this format, what you understand? What data structures is this, online team? Dictionary. Very good. What data structure is this, guys? This is a dict. Keys and values. Which is keys and which is values? 2000 years are key and 0 to 9 is the values. Understand the season part? I create season as 2005, 6, 7 till 14. Understand? S dictionary, season dictionary means 2005 keys, the value is 0, 2006 is keys and the value is 1, and here goes on. Clear up to this part, seasons? Now let's go. In players, how many players are played in the game? Yeah, in cricket, there are a lot of players a game. They're playing, right? In players, these players, Cobrian, Johnson, James, Anthony, all these players are they're playing in the games, isn't it? Yeah. 2005 key and yes, excellent. Right. So these can we, this is players informations. Now, can I say players dictionary? 0, key, value, key, value, key, value. Got it or not? Everybody's clear? Now, salary. Now, salary of an individual player. Now, Cobrian's salary, 2005 year, his salary is 159 million. Understand, guys, very important. All right. Because tomorrow I will share this one and you need to work with me tomorrow. Okay. And 2006, his salary is 177. 2007, his salary is 194. And here goes on. Clear or not? Yeah. Same way, this is individual salary is given up here. You no need to type this data set, you copy and paste it directly, or else you get some error. Okay. Same way, all the player salary is given up here. Clear up to this one? Season we understood, players we understood, salary part we understood. Clear? Can I go ahead to the next topic? Can I go ahead to the next topic? Yep. Now I create a salary matrix. Matrix means salary equal to np.array. If I hold all the players inside the list, can I call this a matrix? Means I'll create a number of rows and columns, isn't it? Yes or not? I create a number of rows and columns. If I add like this, now I create a salary matrix. Now understand, let's go back to the games. This player, he played 80 games on 2005, 77 games on 2007, 6 games in 2013, and 35 games on 2014. Understand or not? So same way, can I create a games matrix? Yes or not? So games equals to np.array, and I stored all the players informations over here, and we create a players informations like this. This is called games matrix. Got it what I'm saying, guys? Same way, minutes played. How many minutes? Because cricket is different, NB is different. They will play as per the minutes, right? So 2005, this player played 3,277 minutes, and same goes on. And can I create like this? Minutes played equals to np.array and copy all the players' name and create a list and pass it as a np.array. Got it, online team? Yes or not? So how many metrics we created? We created here 3 matrices. The first one is salary matrix and games matrix and minutes played matrix. Now field goal. Definitely this player 2005, he made 978 goals on 2005, and 2014 he made 266 goals. Got it? And now same way, same goes on for other players as well. Same goes for other plays as well. Now this is the field goals. I create a field goals matrix. Understand, guys? Cool. Now the last part, not last, field goal attempts. So how many goal he tried and how many goals he made, isn't it? So if you hit the bat, if you want to make a 6 out of 6 balls, you make only 1 6. The same way, total how many goals? 6 balls he attempts, you made only 1 6. The same way, 2,173 goals he tried attempt, out of it he made 978 goals. Got it? Everybody's clear what I'm trying to say? Very simple, guys. Now the last part, same way we create a field goal attempts matrix. Okay. Now the last part is points. Definitely players will get some points, isn't it? Now 2005, they got 2,832 points and 782 points, guys. Yeah. And we clear a points matrix. This is all the data set we have. Clear? This is the data sets. Now let me run this. Okay. Now your CEO given this data sets to you. You joined tomorrow, you joined as a data analyst. All right. Tomorrow you joined as a data analyst. Now he asks, Sumit, can you please give some of insight from this data set? What he's asking to everyone? Please give me some insight from this data set. I don't understand. So there is a connections between the company is there, CEO, you are a data analyst team, and these are the business person, stakeholder, and customers. You called about these 3 network. Now, he gave the business to him, and what is they want? They want, I need some trends, patterns, and hidden patterns and insight from the data. Okay, guys. See, you watch cricket. Let's say due to some situations, you're not able to watch the movie or cricket. Once you go to home, if you see the visualizations, you can understand what exactly happened last 1 hour, isn't it or not? Let's say due to office meeting, you're not able to watch the cricket match. So what you do after you reach the home, you saw the graph, isn't it? In the graph will help you to last 1 hour what exactly happened in the cricket tournament. The same thing, Your CEO want you to make some of the analysis from this data set, so that if you inform to the CEO, CEO will inform to the business leaders, not CEO, I mean their team, so that this business will tie up with you, your company will gaining a revenue, isn't it? If a company paying you 1 billion, 1 day salary, we will get 3 months salary, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? So this is what the analysis we're going to do. This is called data analysis. We trying to explain what kind of hidden patterns, what insight from these data sets. Are you understand or not, guys? Are you clear? Everybody, now let's talk about, let's scroll down. Salary. When exactly salary execute? Online team, are you understand? Clear, Washim, Hemant, why we talk about this one? As I mentioned, do you remember, guys? We are learning the course full stack data scientist, but still, I will teach you. If you look at this, if you look at this one, guys, we'll talk about data analyst as well, data engineer as well, business analyst as well, which is pretty important on our live sessions. Okay. Now let's talk about, when I say salary, what is output I will get here? Salary metrics. Can I get like this? Isn't it? Salary metrics. So please share the syllabus PDF. From next time, I won't show you anything. If I show you anything, you please share the PDF. Guys, I'll tell you, already PDF is given, already syllabus copy is given by Naresh IT, guys. I will one by one, I'll show you, and I will share all those things. No need to worry, guys. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Now games, what I should get output, online team. Games metrics, isn't it? 80, 77, 82. Points, what is output? Points metrics. Now let's talk about, I create my data is variable. NP means what? NumPy dot arrange 0,20. What is output now? This is not related to the projects, guys. This is not related to the project, sir. Where my data comes from, don't be hang on it. Okay, I just, this up to this one project, I just give you some example. We get it like this. Now np dot reshape my data 4,5. What is the value I'll get now? Online team, what is the value we'll get? Yes, students. Yes, dear. Four rows and 5 columns, isn't it? Reshape means what, guys? Reshape means reshape the values based on 4 rows and 5 columns. Got it? What exactly I'm saying? Now, what is ordered? Where do you find this order? Just click here, shift tab and plus it. If you see what is meant by how many orders we can pass, CFA. Understand? Yes, Rakshani, CFA. You cannot pass more than these values. Understand? CFA only we can pass. We cannot pass more than this. For example, order C. Yeah, order C. If we type a 5 row 5 column, Mahapata, you will get 5 rows and 5 columns, buddy. Let's talk about 5 rows and 5 columns. What exactly? Okay. Because what happened? We have 20 values, right? We can do this 5,4. Control Z. Oops. You get it? Yes. I hope you understand. Correct or not, guys? Yeah. 5,5 you get error because you assign the value only 0 to 20. Clear? Okay. If you say 25, then you can do it. Now at this moment, what was before? Okay. Now let's see ordered C. What is the behavior? In this case, 5 rows, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. Got it? Now, when I say ordered C, let's read this. What exactly meaning of this ordered C? Let's plus it. Where is that? C. C like indexing order. C means read write the elements using C like indexing order. For example, let's run this one. What is, do you see, guys? It looks like C, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3. See this one and then 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you close this one, you get like a C type of indexing, right? So this is what exactly ordered C. Now, when I say matrix 1, you got all the values. Can you please tell me matrix 4 comma 3? What is output for this one? Line number 12. Line number 12. What is the value? What is the value, guys? 14. Let's check. 19. Wow, very good answers, guys. Why have we got 19? You guys are saying 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Now third row. 0, 1, 2, 3. Don't you think it's 19 is printed? Isn't it? Got it or not, guys? Python index begins from 0, guys. It's not that yesterday it is 0, today 1. It's not happened like that. All right, do not think like that. Or last month it was 0 indexing, next month it's a first indexing, next month it is second indexing. All right, okay, now let's talk about this one, matrix 1. Now let's check this one. Give me the output for this one, 14th number. $11. Online team, are you sleeping or wake up? Are you there, guys? What's output? Wow, somebody said 1 to 11, 10, 100. Say, guys, till 10,000, 1 lakh also you can say. Okay, let's check the output. 11. Very good. The one who answered 11, excellent. You know, guys, how exactly it happened? -1, -2, -3. Back indexing. Yes, Drakshani. Back indexing. -1, -2, -3, and -1 means -1, -2, -3. Okay, now let me write it down. Row. This row belongs to -1. This row belongs to -2. This row belongs to -3, right? This is what? Row part. Now column part, this is -1. So this is what? -1. So 11 is printed here. Clear or not? Yes, guys. Now let's close this one. Matrix 1. So I hope we understand what exactly mean by C like indexing. The next one is called what is mean by F like indexing. So just shift tab and plus it if you check this out. So F means read write the element using Fortran like index order. Let me tell you guys, no need to research for this one. I hope a lot of people would understand. This is a first batch. All right. This is a first batch exciting sessions. I will research this one. No need to research anything. Just follow me what I'm saying. I am definitely tell you guys, today 53 people are joining and offline maybe something 40 around. But after 2 months, 3 months, the 53 people will reduce to 23 and 40 people will reduce to 20. I'm sure on it. I'm sure on it. And last class, I have only 10 online and 10 offline. Out of 20, only 3 people will get a job offer. Now at joining time, 100 people join, but exit time, only 3 people, you know, they are the real challengers. I want you to become a 3 guys, not this 100 guys. Makes sense, guys, what I'm saying? Based on my experiences, I'm saying, guys. Very good, Pavan. Very good. This is what real time, guys. See, I don't understand. I never comment anyone, but you study somewhere else. But my session is completely different. Trust me. Till last class, I never make you feel bored. Everyday sessions should be so exciting. Lot of things I'm going to show up and introduce each and every day. So my dear student, I just humble request you, till the last class, you understand or not understand, just hang on me. Understand what I'm saying? Just hang on me, guys. I mean, stay with me. Definitely things would be more make sense. Okay. So now let's talk about one moment, Prasanna, I'll help you. Order F, let's run this one. F means what? Do you see? What is the difference between C and F? Just have it, check it out. C, ordered C means, what is differences you got? It's F shapes. So this is one and this is 1. Now see this shapes, right? Got it, guys? Correct? So all these things. Yeah, row to column, excellent, and column to row, excellent. Yes, Washim? Yeah. Now let me talk about this one. Okay, matrix 0, 2. Give me the output. This one, 17th. Matrix 0, 2. 12, 11. Yes, continue, guys. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. So let's run this one. This is called 10, isn't it? Wow, very good. Where did you got 6, man? So let's talk about, this is 0th row. This is first row. This is second row. This is third row. This is fourth row. Yes, Mahapatra? So here I'm saying 0, 1, 2. So that's why 10. Just now I said, right? Indexing begins from 0. Got it, Mahapatra? Very good. No need to worry, guys. I just send you this one to practice, but not today. I will complete tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm going to share this one. All right. Now, let me tell you, comma is here. Now I'm going to execute slice. Online team, just catch this, understand this. Matrix 2. What is matrix 2? Matrix 2 means this is the values. Print the value between 0 to 20 with 5 rows and 4 columns with F shape orders, right? And I hope you understand. Print the output 0th row and second column. But now, what exactly is output for this one? Everyone. Anybody, guys? I hope you understand. 0 is to 3. Correct or not, guys? Clear? 0, 3. Now let's talk about this one. See, guys, a lot of people don't understand this one. Let me tell you. 0 is to 3. So what is n minus 1? 3 minus 1. Print the value from 3 rows. Very simple. So if you go back here, let's close this one. 0, 5, 1 row, 1, 6, 11, 16, 1 row, 2, 7, 12, 17 another row. Very good, Ajat. Up to third row. 3 becomes 3 minus 1. Here, 3 minus 1 is not applicable. As I mentioned, if it is slice, then you do n minus 1. If it's comma, you can't do it. Clear? Understand or not, everyone? Now let's talk about this one, matrix 2. Now let me copy here and paste here. Let's run. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2. Mohapatra, what's your output, buddy? Very good. Got it. Excellent. Now, last indexing today, I will stop here, and tomorrow will come. Very good, Nishu. Now, let's talk about order A. What is meant by order A? Let's do this. It's same like a C only, guys. Whatever the output we get it in C, the same output we will get here, right? Understand? So now you may ask, sir, I will try to put Z here. Okay, you put, let's run. Okay, you get output. So now, guys, we need to follow some rules and regulations, because left side only we have to ride a vehicle, right? If you ride a vehicle on mid of the road, definitely accident will happen. So we need to follow some protocols and rules and regulations. Got it? Okay, so that's it for today. And we continue for these projects and visualizations from tomorrow. Understand, guys? Yeah, all those things we're going to understand from tomorrow. Okay. Both as okay, differences. Just one moment. You can check that one when you practice. I think it's all yeah. Yeah, I already explained, right? That's it. The format would be changed. Columns to row, rows to column, and A, just one moment, buddy. Shift tab A. You will get this informations. Elements in a fortran like index, if A is fortran, contiguous in memory, select order otherwise. So it's a memory level of management conversations is happening. Yeah. 14 sir, today's note. Okay, so let me tell you what exactly I'm going to share you right now is just one moment or else 10 a.m. April. Okay, I'm not going to share this one, matrix visualizations. Control X, I'm going to put over here and let's add to this one. Got it? Guys, please working hard, spend more time. Definitely it is possible. All right, just one moment. Okay, no problem. No problem. I understand here. Just 1 second. Why not able to? Let's close this part. How many of them still? Guys, any questions? You can post your questions in the classroom. Okay, maybe they will enable today. Okay, I told them to enable. If not, then you can post your questions. I will look into it. Let's see. Guys, offline team, everybody's understand? Or the session is boring? Let's talk about this one, desktop. Okay, I done. I sent. Yesterday you said upload in Jupyter Notebook. Drakshayani, you have to upload, not me. In my system, I upload. You have to upload your system. Make sense? You shared in classroom. Come on, guys. Very simple. So please work on NumPy workshop. Thanks. Okay, let me repeat again. Everyone, online team and offline team, let me tell you how to upload this file. Okay, so session was, I understand everything, but I'm facing problem with the software. Okay, Nishu, just do one thing. I will enable, support team would enable the access to you. You just post your error message in the chat window. I will get back to you. Okay, Nishu? Yeah, and another thing, let me tell you how to upload this. Let me listen, guys, online team, offline team, how to upload this on your team. Just click this one. Okay. Last time I'm saying, now click the three options here. Open a new window. And then go to Google and download WinZip. Okay. WinZip download, everybody. All right. Now I will send the link if you want, because something I need to be secrets as well, right? My notes shouldn't be a public, isn't it? So the same way, you can download this file, guys. You can download this file. Once you download, you can install. After you install this one, okay, it's not buy now, free download, you get it. Yep. Once you download this free download, guys, you can directly download all these books. Now you see download here. Now let me download. Okay, Hemant and Drakshani, just one moment. The file is downloading. Give me 2 seconds. I will be complete. Now downloads 5th and 6th. Just now I download, right? Did you see this is what the file will be created? Right click and then I'll say extract here or extract to 5th and 6th. Now let me do this. This is what is going to happen, right? Now let's open this. This is the file which I told you to practice. And this is the course notes, books and metrics visualize. I mean, some of the documents. Now go back to here and go back to the Jupyter. How to open this one? Let's start. Go to Anaconda. Click on Jupyter Notebook. And this type of file will open here. This type of file will open here. Okay. Yeah, this will be open. Now go to upload. Let me do it again. Just one moment, guys. Give me 5 minutes. Guys, tomorrow come along with laptop. I will share this to you. You can download and work immediately with me in front of me. Okay. I go to 5th and 6th and IPython file, open. Did you see the open file is here? Open, and then open. The file will be modified here. And then you click on this one, you will get today's sessions. Clear all of them? Everybody's clear? Not every day the session is logical. I didn't get the extract options. Buddy, you didn't get means you have to download this software, dear. You need to download this software, dear. All right. Yes, Abhinav? Yeah. Okay, I will give the enable options. Please, guys, done for today's sessions. We'll see you tomorrow. Bring back your laptop, and if possible, you can do it later part as your choice. All right. Yeah. Tomorrow we're going to practice this one, and we'll see some of visualizations as well. Thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye. Online team, just post your questions today. I will request them to practice today. Practice is mandatory, and they will connect tomorrow. Stay tuned for tomorrow's sessions and have a great day, guys. Okay. Yeah. Once it is no, Rihan, that is my Google Drive. I may delete. So you save what on your, I posted Chandrahash. I posted all those things. Clear? Cool. All right. Okay, you can enroll to your email, Chandrahas. I already send you the link. Please connect to the support team to enroll this one. It's not, yeah, my hand. Okay. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a great day. No, you mentioned something. Classroom, I'm not able to. Okay, that's okay. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys. Have a great day. Yeah. Yeah, tell me, buddy, how may I help you?
Introductions? Resume. I will tell you later. Why now? First you practice. If you told us for yesterday. Oh, okay. Your introduction.